Hey, Coffee Clubbers, it's EXP Realtor David Garvis coming to you, and I'm having my mug this morning at Dogwood Coffee in Uptown, Minneapolis. And I was just looking at some national real estate numbers, and I thought it would be fun to take a look and see how our local Twin Cities market fares against those national numbers. So let's get caffeinated and do a quick video to take a look. Let's take a look at some national real estate numbers and compare those to our Twin Cities market. For time on market, the Twin Cities average is slightly longer than the national number. Supply, however, has us at nearly half the national number with only 2.4 months. While the average credit score comes in at 731, our local lenders can work with far lower scores. The home ownership rate remains right about at 64%. Our sales price for a home in July was nearly $10,000 cheaper than the national median sales price. And interest rates continue to remain near record lows, making a home purchase extremely affordable for most buyers. So if you want more information on how affordable a new home would be for you, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I'm happy to help you make your next move. All right, Coffee Clubbers, that's how our local market compares to the national market. Time for me to get my day started. I hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you next time.